It was a chilly winter's morning in Sydney and we all arrived out at the Penrith Motorcycle Centre. James has kindly organised for us to have a look through the Kawasaki Australia Head Quarters and get a little bit of a behind the scenes tour with the staff there. As we geared up at Penrith to head in towards Kawasaki HQ, it was a chilly morning, but there were about 40 or so Kawasaki riders and a couple of ringings gearing up at Penrith to head onto the M4 on our way into Kawasaki. Once we arrived at Kawasaki headquarters, we were greeted by many of the staff and introduced to the team, before being signed in and directed upstairs to the showroom for coffee and biscuits and a good look around the bikes.
customer, James?
Here.
In a nice way.
As of today. Actually, I'm going to say Alex because his bike shuts off on the way here. So.
Alex?
After spending some time in the showroom and being shown around the warehouse by the management, it was time to have a Q&A and then hit the road and head back to Penrith again. I'd just like to take the opportunity to thank James from Penrith Motorcycle for organising this amazing day and inviting me along, and also for the good team at Kawasaki Australia Head Quarters for spending a Saturday coming into the office and showing us around and explaining a little bit about how Kawasaki operates in Australia.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting